Every hour of an executive's time is priceless. Yet too often, leadership retreats, strategy offsites fall into the same patterns. Windowless ballrooms, a parade of PowerPoints, predictable dinners, and leaders leave with checklists completed, but creativity and inspiration is left behind. At Windrose on Hudson, we call this the innovation gap. It's the space between what corporate meetings deliver today and what they could achieve if planners embraced fresh formats and environments. The biggest challenge we see is that meeting formats haven't kept pace with executive expectations. Leaders are asked to innovate inside of spaces that haven't changed in decades. We hear it all the time from planners. Their executives are showing up, but they're not showing up fully engaged. It's not a lack of talent or vision. It's that the environment doesn't invite their best thinking. What executives really want isn't more slides or tighter schedules. They want spaces that spark imagination, experiences that connect strategy with humanity, and seamless execution so innovation doesn't feel chaotic. When you give leaders a space that feels different from their day-to-day, you unlock a different level of dialogue. The right setting accelerates trust, creativity, and collaboration. And that's what our role at Windrose is, to be more than just a venue. We partner with planners to shape outcomes, not just manage logistics. Because when you close the innovation gap, you don't just host another meeting. You create a milestone moment that shapes the future of leadership.